So guys, recording. And yeah, so this is gonna be my video, and please subscribe at the bottom. I want to know how many people there is, so because I'm only 6 years old and this is my first time doing it, so yeah. This is some mixed up people, well, animals, and that's some mixed up awesome. Then over here we have some cats, yeah. Then over here we have some mixed up, then a cow, then a wolf, then a horse, and then a wolf, then another horse, and then a filly, and then that one, then we have that, then we have some two mixed up ones, we have that one and those, then over here, we have these guys and that one and also that one, so that one, and we also have this one, going to part of it, and then we have Buck, Lightning, a group of family, kind of. Then we have some horses, yeah. Then we have some miniatures, and then my Palomino. And we have another horse. Then we have some more horses, and then that's my deer, and then that's my Tennessee Walking. That's my little puppy. And this is my Clydesdale, and that's my lab. Over here we just have some mixed up ones. Then that's my dog right there, yeah. Then this is Maximus, and that's my little zebra. Then this is my family, and those are just two little ones. Then that one, we have Stripe, yeah. If you want to see inside of this stable, so yeah. Then wait, there we have that. Then over here, and then this is inside the stable. So we have a stable, some food, some more food, and then a halter, and a swing, and then some hay, then that's the outdoors. So yeah, I hope you love this video. So yeah, bye guys.